All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I got jacked for my iPhone 15 Pro in the black color, so I just went ahead and bought me another one. They didn't have any more of the black ones in stock, so I just grabbed a white one, and I decided to trade in my 15 Pro and get this white 16 Pro. Yeah, I got jacked immediately. So just want to show you an unboxing here. I'll try to bring in the black one in a little bit, but nonetheless, here's my replacement for my white 15 Pro. It's a white 16 Pro. Wow, that's beautiful in person, folks. This color is just so beautiful in person. It makes you not want to put a case on it at all. I don't wear cases anyway. I wear the ultra thin cases when I do, but it makes you not want to cover this phone up at all. The colors on the non-pro models are the ones that I really enjoy. I think those are probably the better colors because you get some nice vibrant colors. But here's the phone. Nothing you've never seen before. Just gonna fire this up and get my backup installed, but I wanted to show you the phone here, man. This white is pretty beautiful, man. I really like the Pro model in comparison to a lot of the other Pro models that are out. Where's my other Pro? Here it is over here. I already showed you this side by side, but this is the my Pro, and I'll try to get my Pro in my other black one. I could steal it back from her for just a second and kind of get it, show it to you. But yeah, nonetheless, here's my white Pro. Just want to do a quick unboxing and let you know it was here, and gonna get it all set up.